Looking for a hassle-free way to entertain guests or cook multiple dishes at once? This Windaze triple slow cooker might just be the solution you've been waiting for. Designed with convenience, versatility, and quality in mind, this buffet server and warmer will change the way you prepare and serve meals for holidays, parties, and family gatherings. With its triple 1.5 quart capacity and adjustable settings, it's the ideal appliance to save time, minimize mess, and keep your dishes at the perfect temperature for hours. Key features of the Windaze Triple Slow Cooker. The Windaze Triple Slow Cooker comes with three 1.5 quart ceramic pots, allowing you to cook up to 3 different dishes at once. This is a game changer for anyone who loves to entertain or prepare multiple dishes simultaneously. The individual pots provide ample cooking space, 4.5 total quarts, for anything from soups and stews to dips and side dishes. Plus, the removable ceramic pots make cleanup a breeze. They're dishwasher-safe, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your food. One of the standout features of the Windaze Triple Slow Cooker is its individual temperature controls for each pot. Each slow cooker has low, high, and warm settings, giving you total flexibility to adjust the temperature for each dish. You can slow cook a hearty chili on low, melt cheese on high, and keep your appetizers warm on the warm setting, all at the same time. This separate operation ensures your dishes cook evenly and stay at the perfect temperature for hours. Built with a sleek stainless steel exterior, the Windaze Triple Slow Cooker adds a modern touch to any kitchen or buffet table. It's not just about looks. The stainless steel construction ensures that this appliance is durable, long-lasting, and easy to clean. The polished surface also complements any kitchen decor, making it an elegant and functional addition to your home. The Windaze Triple Slow Cooker features tempered glass lids with a locking system that prevents spills and splashes. These transparent lids let you easily check on the food inside without having to remove them. The heat-resistant glass allows you to monitor the cooking process, ensuring that your dishes are cooked to perfection. The built-in lid rests are also a thoughtful design feature, preventing spills and making it easier to serve food directly from the slow cooker. Safety is a top priority with the Windaze Triple Slow Cooker. Each lid features an anti-scald, cool-touch handle, so you can easily lift the lids without burning your hands. The non-skid rubber feet ensure the slow cooker stays securely in place during use, preventing any accidental spills. The cord storage also adds to the convenience by keeping cords neatly tucked away when not in use. Whether you're hosting an office party, preparing a holiday meal, or serving food at a family gathering, the Windaze Triple Slow Cooker is up to the task. Its buffet-style serving functionality ensures that your guests can help themselves to different dishes without worrying about them getting cold. Why you'll love the Windaze Triple Slow Cooker. Convenient multi-dish cooking. Cook 3 different dishes simultaneously, saving you time and effort. Perfect for busy hosts and large gatherings. Independent temperature control. Adjust the heat for each pot separately, ensuring that each dish is cooked at the right temperature. Dishwasher-safe and easy to clean. The removable ceramic pots and tempered glass lids are dishwasher-safe, so cleaning is a breeze. Sleek and stylish design, the stainless steel exterior looks great in any kitchen or buffet setup, adding a touch of elegance to your cooking space. Safe and easy to handle. Cool touch handles and non-skid feet ensure that this slow cooker is safe to use and won't slide around during cooking. Windaze Triple Slow Cooker Performance. When it comes to performance, the Windaze Triple Slow Cooker delivers. Whether you're cooking a hearty stew, keeping dips warm, or melting chocolate, each of the 3 1.5 quart pots performs independently but efficiently. The 3 adjustable temperature settings allow you to have complete control over the cooking process, and the keep warm function ensures your dishes stay at the perfect serving temperature for hours. Windaze Triple Slow Cooker. The bottom line. The Windaze Triple Slow Cooker is an essential kitchen appliance for anyone who loves to entertain, cook in bulk, or simply wants to save time in the kitchen. Its 3 separate 1.5 quart ceramic pots, individual temperature controls, and keep warm feature make it incredibly versatile and convenient. Whether you're hosting a buffet-style party or making multiple dishes for family dinners, This slow cooker will help you streamline the cooking process and keep your food warm and fresh. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.